So friends, right now we're on the Lamb Research technical chart. So this is the daily time frame. So here we can see that I had provided these levels in my WhatsApp group. So here I see the possibility of the supply zone or a resistance between 411 to almost. So this company has an employees of 17,700 employees, people working for this. With the valuation wise, we can see that price to earning correct. So friends, right now we're on the Lamb Research technical chart. So this is the daily time frame. So here we can see that there was a Lamb Research stock made a low of 303, almost 302.28 levels, and I see the immediate resistance or a demand zone at 406 levels. So I'll just draw a line so that you can understand. So friends, on the daily time frame, so here before providing you the analysis of this stock, I wish to share that I had provided these levels in my WhatsApp group. So enterprise was somewhere between 354 to 366. So I had suggested this stock on 21st of October 2022, and my target for the short term traders will be 412, 482, 534. So stop loss will be 310 for the short term traders. So now let us go back to the technical chart. So here I see the possibility of the supply zone or a resistance between 411 to almost 396 levels. If the stock is able to sustain above the 412 levels, then I can see a target of 452 levels and the 478 levels. So approximately for the target, let me calculate the average true range. So here we can see on an average daily the stock is making a movement of almost 19 rupees, a possibility of movement of almost 19 rupees. So if we calculate this 19 rupees, so here we can see for the next 5 days the stock can achieve almost 95 rupees from my the entry price of almost 360 rupees. So this will be the first resistance for the Lamb Research stock. So as you can see that there is a resistance or a supply zone at this level. So once stock sustains above this level, then we can see the target of 450, more than 450, and also the 475 levels. So now we'll switch to the weekly time frame to analyze. So friends, here you can see that the stock has successfully crossed above the previous low. This particular candle was the high of 369 and the low of 300 levels. So stock was trading almost sideways, and now it has successfully given a breakout above the previous two candles, that is between the 10th of October 2022. So even on the weekly time frame, I can see that the stock could easily achieve 525 levels, and this will take approximately. So on the weekly basis, here we can see that stock could trade between 47 point movement on a weekly basis. And if we consider that if the stock will be trading 47 points on the upper side, then it would take approximately another 4 to 5 weeks to achieve a target of 515 levels. And remember, suppose this is meant for the short-term trader to the long-term trader, so you need to hold this stock for at least next couple of months to see a target of 500 plus in this stock. So the stop loss will be 312 on the for the weekly levels. So this is a weekly time frame, and this is meant for the people who can hold the stock for at least next couple of months. So now I'll switch to the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, here we can see that the stock has already made a low of 301 levels, and still I don't see any decision to enter into this stock, because I expect the stock should cross above 408 levels to make a fresh entry into this stock. And once the stock gives a breakout above 408 levels, then we can see a target of 532 levels and also a target of 732 levels. So this is meant for the long-term traders, wherein you may need to hold this stock for at least next 6 months to 1 year time frame, and the stop loss will be at 305 levels. So you can leave your comment whether if you have already entered into this stock, or whether you trade in the options of this stock, so that I can provide you my suggestions based on this technical chart and my other important findings. Also, I'll be sharing the important information in this video, so watch this video completely, and anywhere you feel that you have a doubt regarding the topic that I am discussing in this video, so that you can leave your questions and also the suggestions in this the Lam Research stock analysis video. So now we'll get into the profile of the Lam Research stock. So here we can see that the industry is semiconductors, the sector is technology. So this company has an employees of 17,700 employees, people working for this company, and this has a net income of $4.61 billion. So here we can see the list of directors. Timothy M. Archer, President, Chief Executive Officer and Director. Jyoti K. Mehra, she is a Director. Abhijit Y. Talwarkar, a Chairman. Sohail U. Ahmed, Independent Director. Eric K. Brandt, MBA, Independent Director. Michael R. Cannon, Independent Director. Catherine P. Lego, CPA, Independent Director. Followed with the other three people: Lee Sing Tsai, PhD, Bethany Jean Mayer, MBA, Leslie Warren, MBA. So these people are the they are into the management of this company, Lam Research Corp. So here we shall have a quick information about this stock. Lam Research Corp engages in manufacturing and servicing of wafer processing semiconductor manufacturing equipment. It operates through the following geographical segments: the United States, China, Europe, Japan, Korea, Southeast Asia and Taiwan. It offers thin film the deposition, plasma etch, photoresist strip and water cleaning. The company was founded by David K. Lam on January 21st, 1980, which is headquartered in Fremont, CA. So with the valuation wise, we can see that price to earning current is at 11.28 and price to earning ratio without extraordinary items is at 13.75. The price to sales ratio is 3.68. Price to book ratio is 9.82 levels. Price to cash flow ratio is 20.42. Enterprise value to EBITDA is at 9.18. Enterprise value to sales is 2.90. Now coming to the profitability of this stock, the gross margin is 45.62%, operating margin is 31.14%, pre-tax margin is at 30.22%, net margin is 26% 27.80%, return on assets is 27.84%, return on equity is 74.85%, return on total capital is 47.15%. Now we'll see the overview of this Lam Research company. So the 52-week range, the low is 299.59 levels and high is 731.85 levels. The market capitalization of this company is $51.23 billion. The shares outstanding is 136.99 million. Public float is 135.98 million. Beta is 1.62. Revenue per employee is $1.01 million. Price to earning ratio is 10.89. Earning per share is $34.87. Yield is 1.82%. Dividend is 1.73 per share. Ex-dividend date is September 13, 2022. Short interest is 2.16 million. The percent of float shorted is 1.59%. Average volume is 1.86%. So my overall view in this stock on the long term is, I will suggest that you need to wait for this stock to give a breakout above 408 levels. Only then you can enter fresh into the stock. Suppose if you are a long term trader, and once you enter into the stock with 408 levels, then the stop loss will be at 323 or say somewhere around 310 levels. You can expect a target of 535 and above in the long term. Suppose you wish to hold the stock for next couple of months, then I will suggest that you can enter at the present price, keep a stop loss of 310 levels, and you can expect the first target at 453 levels and 528 levels. If you are an short-term trader, a swing trader into this stock, then I have already shown you that I have plotted the levels in my group, that with the levels, the target. So I am seeing that the target the Lam Research stock has an immediate resistance at 405 levels, between 397 to 405 levels. Once this stock has successfully maintained the levels above 405 levels, then we can see a target of 454 levels. So these were my important findings on the Lam Research Corp. So friends, you can leave your questions or comments. Also, if you wish to join to my group, you can the link will be available in the description of this video. You can join by clicking on the link. So thank you once again for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel.